Recording now. I'm gonna restart the recording because no one liked it. Because it wasn't working.
Start the stream.
No, yeah, I'm gonna start recording. Yeah. So yeah, should I come over to you first, or should you come over to me? Also, hello there. Welcome to the.
I guess we'll meet on the road.
On the road again, just to like to be on the road again. My trailer is literally a battering ram.
Okay, I got my trailer.
Oh my! This Ford F-150, as soon as I came out, just rammed to the side of me.
Ooh, hello, car.
We'll meet on the motorway. Meet to the motorway. Where are you?
I'm just having to get my trailer to go wide. There we go. To Phoenix.
Arizona. Where are you?
I'm leaving Walbert.
Where'd you buy your clothes today, Walbert? There's a place here. I'm literally at a place at a cafe, and it's called Donuts.
Right, I'm going on the road. You're not meeting me?
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. You're going on that way? Oh, you're going that. I'll come to meet you.
Yeah, you want me to wait on the side of the road?
I'm coming over to you, Jimmy.
You want me to wait on the side of the road for you?
Yeah, just wait for me. You'll hear my truck. You'll hear me before you see me.
Oh, yeah. I see you on the map.
Ding 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 ding.
I see you coming. I see you!
Look at my trailer.
Oh my gosh.
It's a battering ram, literally.
Wait, those are the things I used at those drag places.
Yep, this is. Yep.
Want me to lead? Or you want me to wait for my
We'll
light?
drive side by side, come on.
Me?
Oh.
Ooh, gosh.
Did you see the Ford F-150? Did you see the F-150?
This is ridiculous.
I'm leading. I'm leading. I'm winning this race.
It's a race.
It is off to Phoenix.
Off to Phoenix we go.
Oh, mama.
It's good that I turned sleep and the
Yes,
and crippled law enforcement.
Yeah. Don't ram me. Don't ram me.
Discovered a criminal agency.
Don't
I'm
ram
gaining.
me. Don't. Why did you do that, you maniac?
Because screw you. That's
That's
why.
the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Wait for me.
No, this is the right way.
Did you see me? I just nearly got on the wrong road.
Well, I think I just had deja vu. Because I swear we've done this before.
I think this is like the third time before I've done this.
I swear, I'm having deja vu.
Have you? Yeah, this is reminding me of another video we did.
Just reminding me, like, we did the exact same thing. It's just like, I'm taking him!
I'm gaining.
We're gonna need to repair our trucks, I bet.
Oh, look at this. Hey, stay on your own lane. Hey,
Full speed!
I just got a screenshot. Oh God.
Hi! Goodbye!
Oh, not. I'm gaining. Don't you even think about it.
Come on, truck!
Bye bye.
I know your truck's probably powerful. Oh gosh, don't ram me off.
We're trying to do a song. Ready? We are the worst. You're going through the ground.
With our pianos and horns.
You just went through the ground. I got that on film.
Yes. See you later, Sonny Jim!
See you in Spain, lad.
Oh, Bye, maniac! There's an accident scene, so.
Yeah, there is. Wait.
Maniac! Maniac! Why our car chords sound like pianos?
Because they are.
They're just piano keys!
The piano is being dropped on Mars Marinas. I'm going for the outside.
He's going for the outside line, folks.
It's not going any faster than 65 miles an hour. What?
It's because we're going uphill and we have damage.
Maybe. Hey, we're chasing the train. We're train chasing. Look.
Oh. Hello, train. Bye, train.
Oh, mama. I like how everyone else slows down, but we did not.
We screw the locals.
Yep.
Screw global warming. Gosh, this is
It's censorship.
freaking annoying.
It's like Chinese censorship. It's like, did you curse the leader? It's like, I think Xi Jinping is a.
We all live under Chinese
Holy-
censorship.
Like, it's like saying, I think Xi Jinping is a.
You keep kneeling and hitting people.
I'm gaining on
No,
you.
for my truck being this truck being my first one, it's doing well.
Yeah, it
Like,
is.
look at it.
Besides, you crossed.
It's keeping.
You're staying in the middle of the road, mate.
I'm in the outside cam, not. Now I'm in the inside cam.
I'm gonna go cinematic.
30 miles. 30 miles.
How many miles?
So our to my destination, 30. No, it's like 26.
Mine's 45. And you're in the rip
Get
off.
out of the way.
What brand is he? What brand is he? Really? You can ride her off the
Look
road?
at him. He has stripes on him. He's like he's carrying pieces of track.
Is he really? And he's going
at
faster
his-
than us. Everything he
The
does is,
sides of this truck has like railroad stuff on it.
it's no magic, just science. Did you see the billboard?
No.
Hey look, planes!
Is that plain and simple?
Look, do you see them? MD-11s. No, the DC-10s.
You're foaming right now.
Decent-10ism.
You go past this truck.
Oh, mama!
Did you crash into him?
Yes, I took him from behind.
Go around him real quick and you will see one.
Wait for me! Where you going?
Careful, we have to stop down here. I have to go down here.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, police officer. I have crippled you.
Coming down!
Oh my god. What the heck have you done?
Bye-bye!
I just saw you coming around the corner at a million miles an hour.
I just break.
It
Magic.
was freaking amazing.
It's called magic, boy. You should learn some. Ooh, I'm an outside camera. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
You don't have to go ahead of you. Let me pass. I need to get on the other lane.
No.
I'm trying to let you.
No, you go first. I had my head on the cab. You nearly took my head off.
Need to be in this lane anyway. My truck damage is at 20%. I need to repair this.
My truck damage is at 28%, but we're gonna march on the Phoenix.
Can we repair our trucks a bit?
I don't think there's the repair dealer is in Phoenix. We have to go to Phoenix anyway.
We're in Phoenix.
No, we're not.
This is Phoenix.
Oh yeah, this is Phoenix. I thought we still had to go farther up the highway.
You idiot.
I thought we had to go farther up the highway.
On the Dutch way.
On the highway to censorship. On the highway to.
Way.
I'm gonna go drop my trailer.
Yeah, same.
No, I literally just leave it there, like, again. That's the second time I left the trailer.
It's like we're in Phoenix. Like, no, we're not. Yes, we are. Oh.
I just crashed into a barrier. I'm at 30% damage. How is my truck not falling apart?
Yeah, before we head out, we'll need to definitely repair our trucks.
I think you have to come to me, onto my side of town, to get repaired. My town, my side of town. We're in Phoenix. No, we're not. Yes, we are. Oh. I'm stupid sometimes.
Right, decoupling.
You mean uncoupling?
Yeah.
And you're dead.
I got 1,000 in profit.
That's nothing considering what we were earning before.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, we're in Phoenix.
Let me just drop my
Let's
trailer.
go to the freight market.
Wait,
Going to the freight
wait, let me
market.
drop my trailer first. Let me drop my trailer first. My failure first.
Failure.
Let me
Jump my failure first.
Let me drop my jack failure first.
Right. We're heading to Phoenix.
We're heading to Las Vegas, not Phoenix. We're already here.
No, I'm selecting jumps in Phoenix. That's the point of selecting a jump in Los Angeles, is it? Phoenix, Arizona to San Francisco.
That's a long drive.
Yeah.
If it's just called the coast.
Oh! Household appliances!
To
From
Vegas?
Phoenix to Los Angeles.
Vegas, though, not Los Angeles.
Vegas.
I mean, wait. So why'd you call it LA?
We're going to LA, right? LB.
We're
I
heading
don't even know anymore.
You don't know English anymore.
No. Los Angeles. Nice LA.
Los Angeles, brother.
LB.
Did you get that? Did you get
Phoenix?
it?
Yes, I did. Las Vegas. Anything going to Vegas? Yes, Phoenix, Arizona to Las Vegas. It's 16,000 I can get.
Hardport.
And it's packaged food, so I'll take that.
Let me just drop. I'm stuck. I'm beached.
Wait, where's your stream? I need to see this.
I'm not streaming it. I'm just recording it because the streaming wasn't working.
Right.
Oh yeah, because I realized something. Wait a minute. I just realized why it wasn't working.